Hey guys, it's Anthony here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. I'm in my cabin called My Happy Place here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Wanted to make this quick video just because this stuff happens all the time. I want to talk about a little bit about furniture and furniture purchasing and things like that, and how not to get too crazy and try to find really good deals because people just and accidents do happen, and we've had a lot of times where we've bought new stuff or put a lot of time and patience into redoing something, and then it doesn't last a week and somebody messes it up. So just want to take a look at this desk we just bought. I mean, it hasn't been in this cabin for 2 months, and so check this out. So we just purchased this desk just about a month, 2 months ago when we did the new floors in here. And I came in today and look at that big old scratch just right on the desk. I mean, just right across the desk. How does somebody even do that? Luckily, these cabins, they're rustic. I can take some Old English and probably, I mean, it's pretty deep. I can feel it in there. I could probably take some Old English and fix that up. But just saying that, when you're purchasing things, you need to make sure that, don't go out and buy a I can't speak today. Don't go out and buy a $5,000 desk because somebody's going to ruin it, and you're probably going to be upset because there's even a little scratch there. So it's already been damaged twice. People are probably putting their luggage and stuff on this if I had to guess. And then just a little bonus about staging. My cleaner had, and this is why we have inspectors, and I'm actually doing the inspection today. My cleaner had this chair like this. This is not a real good presentation. It's okay, but if you want to step up your game a little bit, turn the chair out like that. That's a much better presentation when people come in. This light was actually off and facing like that. I came in, turned it on, and faced it like that, which is, again, a lot better presentation for our guests. So that's it for today's video. Just wanted to throw that out there real quick.